Now we can discuss the relation between TU, AU and MU with the help of a diagram. In this diagram we can see that x-axis represents the units of commodity we consume. Y-axis represents total utility, total utility, marginal utility, average utility. These are the three concepts of utility. Here we can see that total utility is increasing at a decreasing rate. This is total utility. At that time, AU and MU decreasing. Then, where the TU maximum constant, that level, MU become 0. MU become 0. Marginal utility decreasing. Then when TU falls down, start to decrease, MU become negative. What about AU? AU false but positive. These are the three phases of utility approach. And with the help of this relation between TU or MU or AU, average utility or utility, we can derive a new law which is known as law of diminishing marginal utility. From the term itself we are able to know what do you mean by law of diminishing marginal utility. What is the law of diminishing marginal? It states that law of diminishing marginal utility states that when the consumer consume more and more of a particular commodity to maximize their satisfaction, that satisfaction from that particular commodity coming down. Coming down or it's diminishing. Marginal utility will be diminished when we consume more and more of a particular commodity. That is what is called law of diminishing marginal utility. Then we need to come back to the consumer's equilibrium, the conditions of the consumer's equilibrium. I hope you understood this portions, diagrammatic representation of TU, AU and MU. Come back to the consumer's equilibrium and the utility approach. I told you there are two conditions. First condition where the consumer consume single commodity. That means single commodity in an economy. There is only one commodity, good X or good Y. That time the point where the consumer is in equilibrium. That decide the price of the commodity and the marginal utility derived from the particular commodity. The consumer, a rational consumer, always try to maximize their satisfaction within the limited income. So, in that case, the price and the utility, marginal utility or the price and the gain or loss, that is related to the consumer's equilibrium. So, we can say that where the marginal utility of that particular commodity equal to the price of the commodity, this point we can call it as consumers are in equilibrium where we consume or a particular single commodity economy. So consumers are in equilibrium where marginal utility of that particular commodity is equal to price of the commodity. If you are consuming Y, what about the consumer's equilibrium? MUY is equal to P of Y. Marginal utility of commodity Y, which is equal to the price of the commodity Y. This is in the case of a single commodity in the economy. When we move to the two commodity in the economy, there are two commodities, good X and Y. X and Y. In that case, we can see that marginal utility of X divided by price of X, which is equal to marginal utility of Y by price of Y. Consumer is in equilibrium. And I will explain these two cases with the help of a table.